Hi, what's up? My name is Jay, and today we're going to fix a leaky bathroom bidet. Coming up! So this is a little problem, but it can be messy. A bathroom bidet can spring a leak anywhere from the angle valve up to the head. The plastic fitting that goes into the spray head already broke on this one. Sometimes it's the rubber seal. Here are the tools that you might need. I bought a replacement hose at a local hardware store for only about $5, 250 pesos. This hose looks funny because it ballooned like a sausage under high pressure. I cut it and refit it during a previous repair, but water came through between the layers and started ballooning like crazy. It was about 2.5 inches in diameter. It was very stiff under high pressure. Now the best thing to do is replace it. So first things first, let's close the angle valve. Detach the hose from the valve using a wrench. I keep old rubber gaskets just in case. This repair should take less than 5 minutes if you don't encounter any unusual issues. Make sure you don't lose the rubber seals that come with the new hose. You can also keep the old ones just in case you might need them for another repair. Now it's time to connect the new hose. Most of these can be finger tightened, so you don't actually need any tool. But just to make sure, you can use an adjustable wrench like this. Just be careful not to apply too much force or you might end up damaging the rubber seal. There's no need for any TFE tape or sealant, nothing like that. As you can see, I'm just using my thumb, a couple of fingers to tighten it. Yeah. Next is, let's remove the head from the old hose. I'm gonna connect it to the new one now. Just a couple of test sprays. And we're done. Just let it sit for a few seconds just to make sure there isn't any leak. If the bathroom floor is completely dry the following morning, congratulate yourself for a job well done. Thank you so much for watching. This is the very first video on this channel, so I really appreciate it if you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and also the notification button. Okay, that's it for now. Please feel free to comment whatever you need to fix at home, so I might make a video about that in the future. See you next time!